I will be on the United States news for an hour. Anyways, the weather for today is rainy with a 50% chance of a tornado will occur. That's why the tornado sirens were off for drill practice. Now into the top story. The Young Bombers lost a member. His name is King Caden. In other news, it has been a while since Mickey Era was destroying buildings with his path, and we expect a severe thunderstorm warning for Austin, Texas. So, PAS will activate when it will be an emergency. So, please stand by for a message from the National Weather Service. Period.
Source, trained weather spotters.